Hi there, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be sharing one of the most popular rapid relief tools that we utilize in supporting women in their 40s and their 50s to naturally balance their hormones and boost their energy levels so that they can feel their best in their body. And that is on the topic of migraines. So if you're somebody who struggles with migraines, definitely stay tuned because we always find this powerful combination in supporting some rapid relief, right? Getting your body into a place where you can see a notable change in 2 to 3 weeks' time, and then working on the longer root cause resolution. Like, what is it at play that's going to create that persistent cycling of imbalance in the body? We want to make sure that you can get ahead of it to avoid other dis-ease and dysfunction later on in chronic conditions. But for rapid relief in particular, for migraines, this is a very common thing because they are the most common neurovascular type of headache for women. So we want to look at some key nutrients that are going to support bringing the body into balance. The first is riboflavin. Vitamin B2 helps to activate an enzyme that helps with the MTHFR and the methylation activity for our cellular metabolism. So adding some important vitamin B2 can be really sustainable, really beneficial. In addition to magnesium. Now, magnesium is one of those minerals that activates over 300 different chemical reactions and has a calming effect on the body. So that can be really potent when it comes to, again, supporting with those rapid relief nutrient deficiencies. In particular, usually considering between 300 and 400 milligrams, depending on your exposure. And I always suggest starting low and slow, so one dose at a time when you're adding in that additional magnesium. And finally, that third rapid relief nutrient is CoQ10. CoQ10 helps to activate the little energy factories inside each and every cell in the body. And they especially are affecting our heart and our brain, right? So CoQ10, those are the two biggest energy sources in the body. So adding some additional CoQ10, and typically I consider between 100 and 150 milligrams of CoQ10 with food twice daily. So thinking of that powerful combination of riboflavin, magnesium, CoQ10 can go a long way to support any migraine activity. And this is just, like I said, step one in really helping you to understand on a deeper level what is creating that imbalance in the first place. So I hope you find this pearl of information helpful. And as always, I've mentioned we have a few spots available to help support women to create a massive health transformation over the summer and these coming months. So please reach out to our team if this is your time, if you're ready to really get ahead of the curve and see a new experience in the way you feel each and every day.